What's happening, YouTube? We back for the first time ever. You feel me? Gatlin guns here. Today, we swapping out our guide rail on the Ruger Security 9 Compact. You know what I'm saying? So, shout out to Galloway Precision. You feel me? None of our items in this video are sponsored. So, first things first, you know what I'm saying? We're going to remove the magazine. Always visual check, clear your firearm before you start doing anything. So, you're going to kind of slide it back a little bit. You're gonna use a round, pull out your pin, just like that. Slide comes off. Boom, right? Then, you feel me? You're gonna remove your guide rail, you feel me? All right, boom. So you can take your barrel off, but you don't have to do that at all. All right, so we got our stainless steel guide rail and spring, guide rod, and from Galloway Precision, and we're gonna swap this out. It's real easy, you feel me? You just drop that right in there. It fall right into place. You're gonna put it back on the slide. Slide it back a little bit. Hit that pin back in there. Give it a check. And there you go. Stainless steel guide rod replaced in less than 30 seconds. Gatlin guns here. Like I always say, get good.